This is a 2-1 bow, so it'll have 2 loops in the back, 1 loop in the front. And I'm going to keep my tails at 16 inches. They don't need to be real long. So I'll just cut this at a diagonal. And I like this ribbon. It's kind of a classic. With that check, it just looks good for summertime too. So I'm going to come in and measure that at 16. That's 8 plus 8. Come in the center. Right hand goes forward, left hand goes back, and then I create my right side tail. Now my right hand stays in the middle and holds this while my left hand pulls that ribbon back. That's what I'm doing right here. Now I'm going to start my loop. So I'll use both hands to grab the ribbon for the loop. 6 inches, twist. Keep that nice and fluffy so we don't have it real tight. 6 inches out here. And because I'm going to do 2 loops of this in the back, I twist again. We're going to repeat that process. 6 here, and twist, and 6 here. And I'm going to scrunch that down. Spread these out. And I'll just cut that at an angle. Okay, so 16-inch tails, 6-inch loops. Now we're going to run this one. This one has a nice sunflower to run down the middle, so I'll cut this at an angle and bring this in. Now I want this tail to be just a little shorter, so I layer it on there and twist, fluff it out, 2 fingers in the center. And I'm going to go at 5.5, so a little shorter, twist. And then on the right, we're going to go at 5.5. So this is a super simple bow. There's nothing complicated about it. It's very effective in a lot of my wreaths. This 2-1, and you can get several bows out of just a couple of rolls of ribbon, okay? Now I'm going to take it off the bow maker. So I'll take a cable tie, we'll slide it down on the right side, put a finger on top, gently pull that up. Now I'm going to hold this while I get some pressure going here and pull it off. Now I'm going to rotate this tail to the back and watch my twist there and fluff this up and spread these out. So you've got lots of room for everybody and you're happy like that. Okay, and I'm going to have my attachment cable tied to the back, and this is how we're going to attach it to the wreath when we're ready. So pull that tight right here, and then you're going to trim this part off. We don't need that on. Discard that. And now you can choose what ribbon you want in the center. I think it would look really nice for just a little piece of yellow to go down the center, make it nice and clean. But you can pick what you want. Here we are. I got about a 10-inch piece of ribbon. And I'm going to split this down the center, and I will usually just save the other half of this. I will pin it just right to my roll of ribbon and keep it there for the next time I'm making a bow where I want the yellow center. And I just fold this over on itself here. So I get a nice twist. And there you go. I got a little yellow running down the middle. And let's put a knot there. Twist and twist. And trim these off. Okay. And that's a very simple but effective bow, and it's going to work perfect on this project.